weather, and you feel for the people in that area.
Yeah.
Fortunately, it doesn't seem to be affecting this area.
No, not at all. It's way far south, south of Mexico, and actually is weakened already into just an area of low pressure. Expected to continue to weaken over the next couple of days. Could continue to see some rain, however. Here in town, we actually have a pretty nice night out. Temperature is pleasant out right now. Here's a live look at your 360 tower camera pointed towards, you can see the Frost Tower there in the distance, downtown Austin. When you wake up early tomorrow morning, we'll have the possibility of a few showers, only 20% though, so most areas staying dry through the rest of the overnight. Mostly cloudy skies to start out your day. 70 degrees. That's pretty comfortable on your Sunday morning. By noon, partly sunny, 82. The drier air rolls in by 5 p.m. though, so that means more sunshine. Temperatures will still hit the upper 80s. Now, right now, we are looking at just a few showers across central Texas, mainly over Blanco County from Johnson, just north of Johnson City up towards Marble Falls and then back down towards Blanco as well. The brightest reds there are pretty heavy showers, but they're not going to last very long. They're kind of pulsing right along an outflow boundary. So if you come across one of these areas of wet weather, you'll see a brief heavy downpour, maybe some gusty wind conditions. And then throughout the rest of the overnight hours, these type of showers will be very isolated for the most part right along these leftover outflow boundaries. We are, though, tracking a little bit bigger changes on the horizon, though. Today we had a bit of a disturbance roll through. That's why we saw some showers through the afternoon, pretty scattered across central Texas. But if we look up to our north, we have a cold front that's over northern Oklahoma right now in the Panhandle. That's going to be dropping through Texas tomorrow, bringing us some drier air, which is going to help out with our humidity that's been pretty brutal this past week, as well as it's going to allow for cooler temperatures for the start of your work week. So let's go hour by hour through your forecast. Through 11 p.m., just some isolated to scattered activity across central Texas. That'll kind of taper out through the rest of the overnight hours. Early tomorrow morning, about a 20% chance of a leftover shower. The front still to our north, but as it moves through midday, it'll wash out a bit, and that'll be just enough to draw in some drier air, northerly winds. We could see those cooler temperatures roll in by early on your Monday. Once that front completely washes out, the northerly flow is going to stick around for the next couple of days. That means we're going to see fall-like conditions really for this almost entire week. Now, right now, temperatures cooler to our north at 73 in Dallas, 71. Wichita Falls out to the west, upper 60s there, but still pretty humid and mild as you go towards the east. 81 in Houston, 79 degrees right now in Victoria. Closer to us, we are looking at upper 70s, right around 80 at the airport to our south. It's 79 in San Marcos, 78 in Lockhart. Out over the hill country, places like Mason, Gillespie County, San Saba County also saw a bit more widespread rain activity earlier today. That's why their temperatures right now already in the low 70s. And right now in town, we're at 79 degrees, partly clear skies at Camp Mabry, 80 out at ABIA, light northeasterly winds, that northerly flow reinforced tomorrow behind that front. So we're going to see some of that drier air moving in. Tonight, though, temperatures for the hill country staying right about where they are right now, maybe a degree or two cooler. The rest of us low 70s across the board. For tomorrow, temperatures in our northern counties only making it to the mid to upper or low to mid 80s. The lower southern counties will be the mid 80s to the upper 80s through the afternoons. Now tonight, very isolated to scattered activity. Most people just seeing mostly cloudy skies, 70 degrees for tomorrow. Becoming partly to mostly sunny through the afternoon, 87 your afternoon high. Your 7-day forecast shows after Sunday, we see temperatures on Monday just a little bit cooler. Starting out at 60 degrees, 82 for the afternoon. 58 on Tuesday morning, that cooler air really settling in then, but then we slowly warm up after that.